Alright guys, so you seem to like the last Stitch video I did, so here's another one. So we're going to be drawing Stitch, except this time his ears are going to be down. He's going to be looking over at us. It's really cute, so go ahead and follow along. We're going to draw this upside down U shape for his eyes, and then this curved line at the bottom. They almost connect, but not quite. Then we'll draw a little circle. And unlike most characters that we draw, we are just gonna draw the circle and the eye and then color in the big area. Since Stitch is a little alien, his eyes are a little bit different. But honestly, this just makes him extra adorable. So take your time. We're just gonna color in this area. So you can see it takes me a little while to color too, so don't feel like you have to rush or anything. I like to make sure I'm coloring in all the little white spaces and that it doesn't look like I scribbled, because when you scribble it makes your drawing look so much worse and we don't want that. We want it to look good. So here's the eyes. And as you can see, my eyes are not perfect. The left one is a little bit bigger than the right one. And guess what? That's okay. We're not going for perfection here. We're just going for cuteness. So we draw the eyebrows. And then Stitch has a big nose. Whoa. His nose is bigger than his eyes. So I would keep that in mind when you're drawing his nose. And then we're just going to draw his little nostrils. We draw them and then we color them in. Color him in like that. Draw the bridge of his nose. It's two little curved lines. Is he starting to look like Stitch already? What do you think? I think so. Okay. Smile time. Boop. 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 Aww. Now he's really cute. Okay, then he has a little bit of fluff on the top of his head. And then we have this line that goes down to his eyebrows, down to his eyebrows, and then whoop. You guys ready to draw the ears? The ears are a little tricky, but I believe in you guys. So first let's draw the side of the head. So that way we know where to draw those ears. So boop, boop, boop. Alright, awesome. Then we can move on to those ears. Imagine like a bunny. Like a lop-eared bunny, except we're gonna have a little divot in the ear. And then we can draw the inside. So there's one ear. We're gonna do the same thing with the other one. And you don't forget there's a little divot in his ear. Boop. Then the inside of the ear. Boop. Yep. You got it. Then we can draw that arm so it curves. And then curves. And then boop, boop, boop. We've got his little fingers and then do-do-do-do-do. And we have his arm. So he has these little claws. The end of his fingers. So let's go ahead and draw those two. I think Stitch thinks those claws make him look ferocious, but let's be real, he's too cute to be ferocious. And then we're gonna draw some fluff right here, because he is a fluffy alien, a fuzzy alien. He might as well be a puppy. And then we'll draw his little tail. It's a very bunny-like tail. And then we'll start drawing his leg. So it curves out like this. As you can see, he has some toes, and then it comes back in like that. We'll draw his other foot right there. Draw his tummy and a little bit of his other arm. And of course, we need to add some claws as well. 1, 2, 3. Little paw pad. And that's about it, guys. Then you can color him. He's all different shades of blue, and he has pink inner ears. Thanks so much for following along. Bye, guys.